Watch the YM here. The market's just opened up, so watch YM here. We're oversold on the YM. We're pulling back down to test the ribbon and the BBC. The same situation we just had on the NQ, but the YM is 466 up to 486. Okay, this is what it looks like on the DOM. I think it's still 66 at the low. No, it's 63 at the low. Okay, so this should be at 83. 20 ticks higher. 20 ticks above the swing low. That should be at 78 now. 20 ticks above the swing low. You see the swing low right here is at 58, 58 right there is the swing low. So we just triggered in. We just got some slippage. We want to see this go 20 ticks in profit. 80 up to right there would be the goal for the day right now. After it goes 10 ticks into profit, we bump the stop to break even. There's a stop at break even, and I went and locked in 1 tick. And we're out with 1 tick on the YM. All right, but we got 1 trade off in the YM today. We didn't get any trades off in the YM yesterday. So that's our 1 trade today. If I wouldn't have taken the 1 tick right there, we would have just gotten the goal for the day on that. But that's okay. We've got to have it keep moving up and give us a higher swing. Now watch over here. The Russell's about to give us a trade. It's got to pull back. That's got to get into the overbought. The NQ is about to give us a trade here on the short side. Get ready for that. All right, get ready for that over there on the NQ. On the down close, it's going to pull it out of the overbought and give us a trade. We still need that down close. And we'll see if it happens right here. So, need a down close here on the NQ. It's got a high here of 59. Subtract 8 from that, you'd be in at 51 on that on a down close. And there it is. There's a down close. Here it is. Stop is going to break even after 4 points in profit from 51 down to 47. That is... I was just dropping it right there at 19 ticks. That was enough to get the goal for the day, I think, when I just dropped it at 19 ticks. Well, that's the goal for the day. Let me stop that. Well, before I go and stop it right now, let me slow down for a second. All right, we had all the activity, and I just got 19 ticks on this one to get the goal for the day. And we had 1 tick over here plus 19 over here. Gives us 20 ticks. Now what that means is we can fill out our spreadsheet to make sure we are all logged in properly. Okay, this is 628, 728, 29. Here we are. Today's date 10. No, 27, 17. On the NQ, we had 1. I'm sorry, on the NQ, sorry, we had 19. And on the YM, we had 1. That gives us $100 per contract. This is the goal for the day, to get this column to $100. All right. So today it took 5 minutes in 3 trades to get to, with 10 contracts on, that is $1,000. All right. And today is the 13th day of the month and the 196th day of the year and the 91st day. Here and 357. I'll explain what all these numbers mean in a minute. 196, and this is 196 by 196, and this is 357. Okay, so let me just go through this really quick. If you haven't taken a free trial with us and you want to take a free trial with us, go here to mytradingiq.com, click on the purple button right here. There is no credit card required for the trial. Just take the trial. Okay, it's going to bring you to, well, let's just click on it. It'll bring you to this page right here. Okay, well, all we ask for is your name, your email, your phone number. There are 5 multiple choice questions. If you happen to have NinjaTrader, give us your machine ID. If you want to have Ninja Charts, we don't have everything on Ninja Charts, but if you have NinjaTrader and you just trade there, you don't need to give us your machine ID. If you have TradingView, and this is what we really need, give us your username and give us your login ID for TradingView. Okay, your login ID is what we need for TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, you should really get it. Go here to Trading Platforms and watch the video here about TradingView. Right, the reason I say you should really get it is because all of our indicators are on TradingView. We don't have all of our indicators on Ninja or any other platform, but they are all on TradingView. So finishing out the spreadsheet here, we got the goal for the day after 5 minutes and 3 trades. We got to $100 a contract. 100 times 10 equals 1,000 per contract. We got it with 19 ticks on the NQ and 1 tick on the YM. And so on the month now, so far for the month of September, we're up $9,092 with 1 contract. Over 13 business days, averaging $699 per contract per 2-hour business day. On the year, we're now at $95,230 over 196 business days, averaging $485 per contract per 2-hour business day. So we've gotten our goal for the day on 196 out of 196 days. This 357. That is the number of days since we've had our last red day. Our last red day means we did not get $100 per contract, and we ended negative in the 2-hour session in the morning. Our last non-green day, which means we got our goal and we stayed positive. Our last non-green day was 91 business days ago. We've hit our goal every day this year, 196 out of 196 days. If you were to add one contract a month, which means you get your goal for the day every day for 20 days, you earn $2,000 and you add one contract per month. So far this year, you would have worked 57.18 hours. You'd be on your 10th contract. We're in a 10th month. You'd be on your 10th contract. And in the whole year, you'd work 57.18 hours, and you'd be averaging $2,696 per hour on the year. Okay? That's it.